Hey guys, it's Daniel Alley. I'm in St. Louis, Missouri. It's in the USA, and I want to share something very important with you. I believe a lot of people are dishonest with themselves, and the more dishonest you are, the further you're going to be from God. But the more honest you are, the closer you're going to be with Him. Because here's the reality. If you're honest with God, God is going to be honest with you. Look, I see a lot of people who live a contradicting life. They say they want to live a certain way, but their habits are not matching up to the kind of person that they want to be. And so what I'm trying to tell you is that if you're saying you want to be one way, let's say you want to be successful, you want to be rich, you want to be healthy, but you're living in sin, right? You're eating junk food, you're watching pornography, you're fooling around, you're studying social media, and you're just wasting time, and you're saying to yourself, well, I'm just relaxing, I'm just taking a break, and you really believe that, well, you're gonna get stuck. But if you say, you know what, I do have to change my ways, I do have to look at myself, I do have to make some amendments in order for me to get closer to God, then I'm telling you, you're gonna get promoted. So all I'm saying is to take inventory of where you are right now and think about where you wanna be in the next 5 years. Because all of your habits, your disciplines, your routines are going to reflect the success that you have in those upcoming years. And if you're showing God that you're not willing to do what it takes in order to get there, then how can you ever be prepared? You see, submission to God is the root of all success. And if you give your life to God, then God will give His life to you. He's going to infuse you with the Holy Spirit. He's going to teach you new things. He's going to take you to a place you never even could have dreamed of. And you will be liberated, you will be free, and you will have truth for the rest of your life. You see, this is exactly what happened to me when I was a young man. You know, in my early 20s, I was fooling around, I was wasting time, and I started to realize, you know, if I keep doing what I'm doing, I'm just gonna go where everyone else is going, and everyone else was just average, and I didn't want to be like that. I had to change my mindset, I had to change my mentality if I wanted to change my reality. I had to change the way I was viewing things so I could change the way I could be doing things. And that's all I want you to know, because a lot of times you might be thinking, man, I'm doing everything, I'm trying my best. But are you really? Are you really doing everything you can in your power to prove to God that you're gonna align with Him? I want you to write down 5 things that you need to improve on right now. 5 things that you need to change. I promise you, if you start working on it, God will start working in you. He's gonna prove Himself to you little by little. He's gonna send you signs, He's gonna send you people, He's gonna send you miracles, and it will be increasingly obvious to you in your life. Guys, this is Daniel Alley. I'm in St. Louis, Missouri. I hope you're living up to your highest potential. Remember, life is short. We only have 70, 80, 90 years. Some of us will live to 100 and more. But I'm telling you, most of us are going to die pretty young. And if you're at the halfway point of your life and you feel, man, I don't know, I'm in my 40s, my 50s, it's too late, I'm gonna tell you something, it's never too late. So get started. If you're young and you know, hey, look, I got a whole life ahead of me, then now's the best time to make it happen. Guys, you have everything you need in order to succeed, but it all starts with your ability to trust God and allow Him to take you into the direction that you know you're supposed to be heading. Guys, this is Daniel Alley, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.